I'm Brenton Gray, the proud owner of Davell Products, who's been manufacturing steel products in Australia since 1946. Our product range consists of lockers, locker stands, bench seating, adjustable steel shelving and hinge door cabinets. We manufacture a large range of lockers, including contemporary and traditional lockers, emergency services lockers, phone, iPad and laptop lockers including charging, as well as power tool charging lockers, just to name a few. We can also manufacture lockers to suit your particular requirements. All of our lockers are made in Australia and carry a lifetime warranty. At Davell, our philosophy is not only to provide the best products and personalised service, but also to support Australian industry by keeping capital and jobs in Australia, contributing to the prosperity of our great nation. Over 95% of our raw materials are either produced in Australia or sourced from Australian-owned companies. All of our lockers feature a separate spot-welded frame. This frame services as the locker's chassis, providing exceptional strength and stability. Cross channels are spot welded to the frame to divide each compartment, supporting the shelf and protecting the door from being forcibly levered open. This unique Davell feature provides greater strength and security compared to other lockers on the market. You can specify any powder coat colour from the Davell standard colour range, which include finishes such as standard, pearlescent, textured, ripple and hammer tone. The strength and integrity of our lockers is enhanced by the many secure locking options that are available, including key, provision for padlock, mechanical, electronic combination and RFID locks. Davell locker stands with seats or bench seating have the option of either modwood or Tasmanian oak timber slats. Davell has a proven track record providing quality products to both government and private institutions over the last 8 decades. Our business thrives on strong relationships with our great customers, and I'm sure your satisfaction will be guaranteed when comparing us to other alternatives. You've now seen why Davell lockers are better than the rest, so call today and put us to the test.